stop scrolling for a second. I promise you by the end of this video, you'll never cook eggs the same way again. Right now, I've got just 2 eggs. That's it. No fancy ingredients, no complicated steps. But what I'm about to show you is a small technique that makes a huge difference. Most people think eggs are the easiest thing to cook, and that's exactly why they get it wrong. They rush. They use high heat. They don't pay attention. And the result? Dry, rubbery, boring eggs. But today we're fixing that. So first, watch this part carefully. I'm cracking the eggs gently. You don't want to break the yolk too aggressively. Keeping that texture clean already puts you ahead of most people. Now here's where things start to change. Heat. This is the biggest mistake everyone makes. If your pan is too hot, your eggs are basically ruined before you even start. What you actually want is low to medium heat. Give it time. Let it warm up slowly. Yeah, I know, it sounds simple. But trust me, this is the difference between average and amazing. Look closely right now. See how the eggs are cooking slowly? That's exactly what you want. No aggressive bubbling. No burning edges. Just smooth, even cooking. This is how you keep the texture soft and rich. And here's something a lot of people don't realize. Eggs keep cooking even after you take them off the heat. So if you wait until they look fully done in the pan, you've already gone too far. That right there, that's the detail that changes everything. Now let me ask you something. How do you usually cook your eggs? Be honest. Do you rush them in the morning before work? Do you turn the heat all the way up just to save time? Or have you actually tried slowing it down like this? Drop your answer in the comments. I read everything. Alright, back to this. At this stage, you can already see the difference. The texture is soft, the yolk looks perfect, and nothing is overcooked. This is exactly how you get that restaurant-style result at home. And the craziest part? It only took a couple of minutes, and just 2 eggs. No special tools. No expensive ingredients. Just technique. This is one of those small habits that upgrades your everyday life without you even noticing. Because let's be real. Almost everyone eats eggs. But very few people actually cook them well. Now imagine starting your day with something this simple, but actually delicious. That's a win. And yeah, you can pair this with anything. Toast, rice, vegetables, or just eat it like this. Simple. Clean. Perfect. Alright, we're almost done here. Look at that final result. Soft. Juicy. Perfectly cooked. If you made it this far, you already care more than most people about your food. So here's what I want you to do. Try this method next time you cook eggs, and come back here to tell me if you noticed the difference. And if you learned something new today, don't just scroll away. Hit that like button. It really helps push this video to more people. And if you want more simple tips like this that actually make a difference, go ahead and subscribe. We're just getting started. Comment thanks if you watched till the end. I reply to early comments. Enjoy your meal and I'll see you in the next one.